Imagine craving your absolute favorite Firehouse Subs sandwich. Maybe it's that hot, mouth-watering New York steamer or a fresh hook and ladder. You're ready to eat, but suddenly, you freeze. You remember you have a gift card, but you're completely unsure if you actually have enough funds on it to cover your meal. Well, don't let that uncertainty ruin your meal plans. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to check your Firehouse Subs gift card balance online, ensuring you can place that order with total ease and confidence. Seriously, have you ever hesitated at the checkout screen or stood in line feeling that sudden wave of anxiety, just wondering if your card's going to decline? It is literally the worst feeling when you're hungry. So let's just dive right in and solve that problem right now. By the end of our time together, you're going to know the exact steps, the backup methods, and even a few insider tricks to manage your Firehouse Subs gift cards like an absolute pro. Here's our game plan for today. We'll start with a quick introduction to the gift cards, run through a step-by-step balance check, tackle troubleshooting for common issues, share some additional tips and insights, and then bring it all together in a quick wrap-up. All right, Section 1, Introduction to Gift Cards. Let's get to it. What's incredibly consumer-friendly about these cards is that whether you bought a physical one at a store like Walmart, Kroger, or Target, or got a digital e-gift in your email, they can hold anywhere from $15 to $500. But here's the absolute best part and a huge relief if you just found a card buried in a junk drawer. They have 0 expiration dates. Plus, there are no dormancy or service fees. The money you have on that card stays exactly as it is until you spend it on some delicious food. Move in right along to Section 2, our step-by-step balance check. This is what you're here for. The fastest, most direct way to check your funds is right on their official website. Step 1. Simply open your web browser and head over to firehousesubs.com. Step 2, scroll all the way down to the absolute bottom of the page. Down in the footer menu, you're looking for a link labeled Check Gift Card Balance. Click that and you're in the portal. Finally, Step 3, carefully type in your unique 16-digit card number, along with the security access code from the back of your card. Hit Submit, and boom, your available funds will instantly pop up on your screen. Now, I know someone out there is looking at the back of an older physical card right now and low-key panicking because there is no security access code to be found. Do not worry. This just brilliantly illustrates how they've designed the system to work for everyone. If your card doesn't have an access code, just leave that field completely empty. The system will process your inquiry just fine using only your primary 16-digit card identifier. Here is a quick, fun, behind-the-scenes detail for you. Depending on where your card came from, you might notice 2 different validation portals if you look really closely at the web addresses. Cards bought directly through Firehouse Subs usually route through a system called cardbalance.net. But if you grabbed yours at a third-party retailer like Kroger or a wholesale club, it's probably going through a system managed by worldpay.us. You definitely don't need to memorize this, but it's great context to explain why you might see different URLs when verifying different cards. Okay, on to Section 3, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Because we all know technology can sometimes have a mind of its own. Let's map out solutions for a few common glitches you might run into. First, if the website portal is ever down or just won't load, your best backup is to call their automated voice line. Second, if you've tragically lost your card or suspect it was stolen, you'll need to call customer support, but you absolutely must have your proof of purchase handy. And finally, if the mobile app isn't accepting your gift card for online orders, which used to be a major headache for people, just double-check that your app is updated to at least version 12.4.0. That recent update finally fixed the digital payment method. Actually, I highly recommend you pause this explainer for just a second to jot this number down or save it in your phone. 1-800-803-1222. That is the automated interactive voice response line specifically for checking your balance. It is a total lifesaver if you're on the go, have spotty internet, or the website is simply acting up. Just give it a call, punch in your 16-digit code, and the automated voice will read your remaining balance right back to you. But what if the absolute worst happens and your card goes missing? You can reach customer support at 1-844-347-4438. Here is the crucial catch, though. They can only help you transfer that balance to a replacement card if you can provide definitive proof of purchase, like your original receipt. Without it, a gift card is essentially treated like lost cash, and the money is gone for good. So please, always save those receipts. Section 4. Additional tips and insights. Let's look at how to get the absolute most out of your cards.
If you deal with a lot of digital e-gift cards, maybe you buy them for your employees or send them as gifts, you definitely need to know about the Cash Star's self-service portal. What's super fascinating here is you don't even use a traditional password to log in. You just enter the email address you use to buy the cards. The system validates it and shoots a secure hyperlink straight to your inbox. One click, and you're in a dashboard where you can check balances, resend lost electronic cards, and track your delivery statuses seamlessly. It's incredibly secure and just super convenient.
Okay, this next tip is an absolute game changer. While you don't earn loyalty points when you initially purchase a gift card, you absolutely do earn points when you spend that gift card on food. As long as you are logged into your Firehouse Rewards account when you order, whether in-store, online, or on the app, you will earn 100 reward points for every single dollar you spend using your gift card. It is the perfect way to double dip on value and earn your way toward free subs and upgrades. I do need to clear up a very common misconception, though. Yes, you can now thankfully use your gift card on the official Firehouse Subs app and website for rapid rescue pickup. But these gift cards are strictly not valid on third-party delivery apps. So if you're trying to check out on DoorDash, Uber Eats, or similar services, your Firehouse gift card is going to get rejected. You have to order directly through Firehouse's official channels to redeem those funds. And that brings us to Section 5, our quick wrap-up. Let's distill everything down into 4 key takeaways. Number 1. Always start by checking your balance online, using that footer link at firehousesubs.com. Number 2, if the internet fails you, your rock-solid backup is the automated phone number, 1-800-803-1222. Number 3, guard your gift cards like cash and always keep your original purchase receipts just in case you need a replacement. And number 4, make sure you're logged into the official app or website when paying with your card so you can rack up those valuable Firehouse Rewards points. Just a quick bit of mandatory housekeeping. Corporate policies, phone numbers, and terms of service can and do evolve over time. So while we've heavily researched the information for this explainer, you should always verify the latest details directly on the official Firehouse Subs website or with their customer support team, just to ensure you have the most up-to-date facts. Well, there you have it. You are officially an expert. The anxiety is totally gone, your balance is verified, and the only question left to answer is the most important one of all. What delicious sub are you going to order today? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Go enjoy that meal, and I will see you next time.